going to show you how to subtract integers using counters such as this. And the key thing you have to know is you have to add 0 pairs anytime you don't have enough counters. So let me show you what I mean. Here's example number 1. You're going to start off with 3 negatives. So 1, 2, and 3. And it says they want you to subtract a positive. So when you look at the problem, you ask yourself, do I have any positives here that I can take away? If the answer is no, you're going to add 0 pairs. So I'm going to add 1 0 pair. And remember, when you add this, that's the value of 0. That's why we call it a 0 pair. So by adding this, it does not change the problem. I still have 3 negatives here. And now I ask myself, can I subtract the positive now? Which I can, so I'll take away the positive. And now you look at what do you have left, and that represents your answer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives. So my answer here is negative 4. Example number 2, it says you're going to start off with 1 positive. So I start off with 1 positive. It says to subtract 2 negatives. So ask yourself, do you have any negatives here? No. So I'm going to add a 0 pair, and I ask myself again, do I have enough negatives? Do I have 2 negatives? No. So I do another 0 pair. Do I have 2 negatives now? Yes. So now I'm going to subtract those 2 negatives, and you can see I'm left with 3 positives. That means my answer is positive 3. Example number 3 says you're going to start with 2 negatives. So I start with 2 negatives, and I'm going to subtract a negative. So I ask myself, do I have enough negatives? Yes. So I'm going to take away that negative. What do I have left? I have 1 negative. So my answer is negative 1. In my last example, you're starting off with 2 positives, and it says to subtract a positive. So do I have a positive I can take away? Yes. So I take it away, and now I have 1 positive left. Therefore, my answer is positive 1.